Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? We're drawing a few of the characters from the upcoming sequel to the movie Sing this week. Earlier, we drew Buster Moon, voiced by the great Matthew McConaughey. Today, we're going to draw Gunter, a dancing pig with a German accent, voiced by Nick Kroll. Hands down, one of the funniest characters in the first Sing movie, and I have no doubt he'll be just as funny in Sing 2. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Gunter from Sing and the upcoming Sing 2. We're going to draw Gunter step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Gunter is 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2 of those, with his hooves kind of peeking out at the bottom. Being that Gunter is a dancer, and because his shape is so fun to draw, I thought after we established his proportions, we'd take the opportunity to sort of put him through his paces, get him moving a little. So we're going to add 2 drawings, one on either side of our main Gunter. Okay, so let's start with that roadmap for Gunter from the Sing movies. So there's our roadmap for Gunter. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Gunter's eyes, snout, mouth, etc. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Gunter's features. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of Dancing Gunter. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Gunter. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Dancing Gunter. Alrighty, there he is, the incomparable Gunter, showing off some of his moves from the movie Sing and the upcoming Sing 2. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Gunter before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our dancing pig during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Gunter. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Gunter. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.